I'm going to walk through with you how to verify your domain for your Facebook ad account. So here's my ad account here. And I was so busy helping other clients, I forgot to do ours for two of our domains. So I'm just going to go through and show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go and verify my domains. So it takes you to a different part of Business Manager, and you have to go through and check your settings for those ones. So I'm just going to do the Rachel Claver one first. And I'm just going to walk through with you how I would verify my domains and also walk you through how I would do that. So obviously I just need to get to my own domain, not verified here. And I need to add a meta tag here. So I'm just going to grab this meta tag. So I'm just going to copy that to the clipboard. And all I need to do is put this into the head of my website's homepage, and that will verify my domain. So it's actually pretty easy. So I'm just going to quickly do that. So I'm just going to come into here and get into my my domain here. So I have a WordPress site. So if you don't know how to do this, you just need to Google. You just need to Google how to put the code into the head of your whatever site it is. So I'm going to do it for mine here. So obviously I don't want you to know my password. That would be bad. So I'm just logging in here, and I will just show you where I'm going to put this head thing so that you can see how I'm doing it. I'm just going to let that pause while I do that so that we get it a bit seamless. Just pressing pause. Okay, so I'm just going to go down and insert this in here. So for me to do this, I just go into my settings, and there's a little thing that says insert headers or footers. And so I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to press, go here and press enter, and just pop that little bit in there. And then I just need to press save. Is that going to just do it? Let me just double check. And then press save. And so that's just been put it into the header tag, so you can see that that's in the header. And then I'm going to go back to my ads manager and just go here and press verify. And hopefully that will do what it's meant to do. And it's done. Easy. And then I can add other bits and pieces in there. Super easy way to do it, right?